go, go. Nice job. Go.
So this morning, I'm starting off my day with running an early morning training session for some of our students that are going to be competing at US Nationals later this month, which is actually going to be in Salt Lake City, about 20 minutes away from our school. We're working on lots of agility drills, working on their footwork, quick changes in direction, and just staying light on their feet.
And go. Hop, nice job, keep it going. Nice and speedy. Look at Mr. John being all pretty, high knees. Fighting stance, keep those hands closed, cover. Nice work. And you're free. Perfect. Good sideways, 1, 2, perfect. That's Kaylee. Mr. John, where's Mr. John? Alright, you got it. Yes, much better, Kaylee. Straight up. Oh, it's that side. Yeah, come on. Good. One more. Resistance band for some added resistance, leg down, explosive kick. Nice, keep it up. Good, don't get lazy, stay tight. Good, that leg was getting better. Good, almost there, a couple more, stay snappy. Good, good, one more. And he's done! Woo!
Don't toss that much. So.
Hey, you're on my vlog.
Hey vlog, how y'all doing? Cheers.
Should we tease them with what we're doing?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, okay, go for it.
Okay, so.
We have big news for you!
So y'all have not seen Sammy and I together in a minute, and we're coming back strong because we are working on a martial arts podcast where we break down, you know, some of martial arts community's biggest news, events, and controversial topics to a podcast near you coming soon.
I'm so excited! Okay, so I just got home, I made breakfast. The next part of my day, I'm gonna be chatting with Donavan a little bit about like social media strategy for the martial arts influencer part of my business, and then I'm gonna switch over to the school management side, and I'm gonna be working a lot on curriculum, class plans, and then just scheduling, so just back-end stuff, and before I go to the studio a little bit later. So I will see you all after I get this work done. About 20 minutes into working, I looked outside at our deck and it looked like a really nice day. All of our furniture has been moved around since we've been doing some pressure washing. So I decided to take it upon myself to clean it up so I could go take my laptop outside and just have a more fun work environment for this morning. And of course I get done cleaning one of the chairs and I decide it's too hot to sit out here, so I'm not going to clean the rest. Okay, so I forgot to share this part of the fun process, so I just shared a reel. I'm gonna show you real quick. So I'm gonna turn the music off so we don't get any like copyright hits. But this is honestly like one of my favorite parts of like adjusting to not being able to training lately. I definitely haven't shared this on YouTube. I went to the doctor about a month ago and they found a couple of things in my blood test that have made it so that I have some kind of disease. They think it's an autoimmune disease with my thyroid so far, but I am not fully convinced. Point is, my heart rate is like constantly going way too high and I'm struggling with like weight loss, being tired all the time. I'm losing, so the weight loss actually isn't great, you know, like at first it sounds good, but I have been losing lots of like muscle and bone mass, and that's where the weight loss is coming from. And I am not allowed to exercise until we get this figured out. I have a blood test coming up in August and we're gonna see if the medicine that they have me on is starting to make an effect. But until then, I am on a strict no exercise, nothing to elevate my heart rate kind of deal. It's been driving me crazy, but the one positive is being able to lead morning workout sessions, or really any like martial arts training sessions, I have been loving doing. Just kind of like that video that I showed you. Basically, I've just been recording and sharing, and hopefully it can help inspire some of your workouts. But that said, if you do want like a training plan, I lead these for sparring sessions, but honestly, like if you just want to get a good solid like Taekwondo workout, they would be great for this too. So I will leave a link in my bio for some kind of info if you want something like this. And I'll also make sure to leave a discount code. So yeah, check the link in the description if you want sparring workout plans. Now I'm gonna make myself some lunch because I am starving. Okay, I got super distracted, so I didn't film anything about my lunch, but I basically had a lentil soup and I'm still a little hungry. So I shared these on my personal Instagram, but they're really good. It's like frozen yogurt with frozen berries and chia seeds and granola, and it's not in focus. So this is like a fun snack that I'm just gonna have now. One more thing I want to tell you before I forget. Let me adjust this one sec. So if you're a martial artist and you're on Instagram, you probably already know about Sparring Sam. He is an awesome martial artist. He has a huge Instagram following, but like seriously, look at the cool tricks he can do. And in addition to this, what's really cool is he provides so much value on his Instagram videos, just like tutorials and exercises and drills just to help you accomplish your goals in martial arts training. So I think he is amazing, and we're lucky because he is going to be actually doing a live class for me on my Live Martial Arts online membership. So I just want to let you guys know, if you want to learn from him, this is an awesome opportunity to do a workout with him. Well, my first point is you should definitely be following because he's just amazing. But my second point is, on my Live Martial Arts like online training program kind of thing, he is going to be a guest instructor for July. So not this week, but next weekend he is going to be coming on just live stream like a Zoom class and teaching a 1-hour session on like tricking fundamentals and basics and just how to be a better kicker and tricker. So if you guys want to join, it's going to be, you can do like a 30-day trial so that you guys can check out Live Martial Arts and decide if you like it. It also comes with like a lot of free follow along workout videos. It comes with like you get to talk to a whole bunch of people that are awesome martial artists and, you know, just like share goals and ideas. You get access to a whole bunch of stuff pretty much. So point is, if you want to try it out and find lessons from me, just click the link in the description below as well. So of course I came to the studio and I taught a couple classes and I forgot to film it. Here's a couple of photos to show you what a little bit of the class was like. Nice job. Let's go see a good kick with Mr. Jack. Slide back. Yeah! Nice job. Alright, so I just got back in the car. Like I said, I taught those 2 classes. We worked on the kids learning their green tape today, which was super cute because all the kids were just super enthusiastic. I don't get to teach as much as I would love to now. Every time I come in and get to teach, I just love it. So I had fun. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and if you want to see more kind of like day in the life martial arts vlogs, like I said, I can't work out for the next who knows how long, so I'm gonna try and get a little more creative on how I upload videos, and I'd love to hear your feedback from you guys. As always, have an awesome week and I'll see you guys later. Bye.